Top news for the day by Kanoonplus. My friends, in Supreme Court today, while hearing NewsClick founder Prabir Purkayastha case, Supreme Court opined that a reason must be given for the arrest under Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, and this was settled in Pankaj Bansal case. Therefore, this particular arrest by founder of NewsClick was considered illegal. Yet in another case in Supreme Court says auction buyers must return property if appeal is pending. Means Supreme Court ruled that if somebody buys property at an auction while knowing there is an ongoing appeal, they can't claim to be an innocent buyer to avoid returning the property. In yet another case in Supreme Court warned National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission for ignoring their orders. Recently, two members of National Consumer Dispute Resolution Commission has issued a non-bailable warrant against a company directors in violation of Supreme Court order. This particular thing was stressed by the Supreme Court, and it said that importance of following High Court orders hierarchy must be taken into consideration. And yet in another case, Supreme Court said no profit from wrongdoing. Means in a case related to Municipal Committee Katra, it was decided by Supreme Court that the delays was done by part of the bidder. Therefore, because of its own wrongdoing, they cannot claim further profit on grounds of the delay which they have caused. In another ruling, Abbas Ansari has been allowed to participate in a private prayer kept in memory of his late father Mukhtar Ansari, who died on 28th of March following a cardiac arrest while undergoing a sentence of life imprisonment. Supreme Court allowed jailed MLA Abbas Ansari to attend his father's memorial service from June 10 to 12, but he cannot speak to the media during the time. Supreme Court also said that leveling as manufacturer is okay for taking tax credits. Supreme Court ruled that leveling or re-leveling products counts as manufacturing under the Central Excise Act, allowing companies to get tax credits. In another case, Supreme Court denied 30-week pregnancy abortion case in which the abortion was sought for the ground that it has already crossed the 24 weeks limits, and it was also questioned by Supreme Court, what about the child in the womb? Where does the right of the child go? In international arena, UK court, police acts violates human rights. UK court found that parts of Police Crime Sentencing Courts Act 2022 violate human rights, particularly affecting gypsies and travelers. In Georgia passes controversial foreign agent law in which it requires 20% foreign funding to register as a foreign agents inside their own country. This, the critics say, it restricts freedom. In US, TikTok creators sue US to block ban. They said US government cannot block because it stops and violates their freedom of speech rights. Similarly, yet in another case, in US itself, states challenge Equal Employment Opportunity Commission Transgender Workforce Protections over its rules protecting transgender workers, claiming EEOC is overstepping its authority. In yet another case, in Elon Musk ordered to testify in US Securities and Exchange Commission probe, to testify in an investigation by US Securities and Exchange Commission about his $44 billion purchase of Twitter to check if he broke any laws. Thanks for being with us, my friends. Do subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Hope to see you again. Thanks for the day. Goodbye.